Well, 1950. I'm sure of it. But it says 47. I don't see how that's possible. Not possible. It's got to be either a 49 or a 50. Wow. It's so cool. Wow, I see a big reflection. Ah, yes. I knew it was 50. Really? For sale. More than I can afford, I bet. There's the phone number, though. Anybody interested? I wish there was a way.
Probably already sold it today.
Oh, sorry, you guys. Anybody have a price?
Yes, sir. 55. And that ain't 100 either.
I know. Yeah, well, I had a 50 businessman's coupe. First car I ever owned.
I wanted to do a 50 businessman coupe gasser.
Yeah.
My brother had one when we were in high school. It was so cool.
It was so
Everything
funny.
on the car is new.
Beautiful. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful.
Bottom looks like the top. Crate motor, 350 trans, 9-inch Ford. Disc brakes in the front, drum brakes in the rear.
So beautiful. These things are really artwork, you know, the curve, the lines.
Yeah, the roof's insane.
Yeah, wow. It's a little bit out of my price range.
I'm selling it. I had a 66 Chevelle when I was in high school, a real SS, and I want another one. And you know what? They're stupid fucking money, man. That car is more money than this.
Oh,
there they are.
I didn't think that was yours. I saw this.
That's cool, huh?
Yeah, you know, I said to him, it looks like that guy, Mike, that used to have a place called the Glass Shop. Remember
This guy right here was just talking about
I
him.
we were down. I said, it looks like Mike's over
They're the maroon one.
Yeah, right. How you doing?
I saw your truck in there.
Oh yeah.
Nice piece, man.
55,000. Anybody want it? Come and get it. So the thing is all completely redone. Wow, so nice. God, if I had 55,000, guess what I would do with it? I'd be plopping it down right now. Sweet.
You see the inside?
I haven't, but I'd sure love to.
Yeah, Mark, it's got a booth inside Elements. He did the interior.
Wow.
It's
Very
got air.
sweet.
The underside is as nice as the top.
Yeah. And what I really like is all original.
Well, yeah,
you know, the
looking. It's got
the
a
steering
9-inch
wheel and the
Ford.
dash
Oh,
and all
yeah.
that. No,
Yeah,
I'm
that
talking
was
about
a
the
deal.
interior, you know.
You know,
That's
that
what
and the instrumentation, that's a late model deal. But,
yeah. But still sweet.
No, it's nice. Drives great, too.
I know what I would do if I had 55,000.
Yeah.
I'd be driving this thing away.
The kid that painted this for him, here, he just said, I said, Ray, today what's the paint job price on this car? Because I know what it was 5 years ago when he painted it. He goes, it's five. I wouldn't touch this thing for less than 45,000.
Ooh.
He did it back 5 years ago. It was still 20.
Yeah. Well, it's worth it. It's
a nice
perfect.
car, yeah.
It's perfect. Beautiful. Thank you. I don't suppose you have an ability to open the hood, do you?
Sure.
Those are the original seats, and Mark reshaped them all. They put tracks on them and everything. And,
No, I didn't.
Very nice.
Last year. I mean, that's pretty good, like 3,000 cars.
Wow,
I tell you
nicely
the truth,
done.
I don't know if they even got judged because every time I turn around, everybody was cruising the car. You know.
Just sit this down for a second. Oh.
No, I mean, have you seen him? No. He's okay?
You can talk. You just go knock on the door, bring him
Okay.
out. He'll come in. His wife will come to the door.
Okay. No.
Looks like the
He
original
sounded
radiator.
terrible, like he was out of gas.
I remember.
Right, right.
Some days he can talk pretty good. Like I wanted
Sweet,
to last
sweet.
night.
Oh, and it's got vents. Wheel wells.
Charged up my mobility scooter
Very
and
nice.
everything.
Let me get my phone and show this guy the bottom of the car. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll go stop by.
He's got pictures of the bottom if you want to see
Have you seen his interior?
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? I didn't see it.
Yeah.
You told me about
No,
it.
you gotta go see it. Look at the truck too.
Yep.
Hard start.
I know. Yeah, you gotta crank and crank. That's about the fastest start I've ever seen. Wow, that thing is sweet. Very
The
sweet.
factory finally rewired it. It's all been rewired. I mean,
Yep.
for him to wire a car now is 15 grand. When he did this, it was about 85.
Yeah.
But it's you can see all the wiring's hidden.
So clean, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. Very smooth rolling. Really sounds
Oh,
good.
and the
So
stereo?
smooth.
There's an Alpine in the back. There's a subwoofer, an amp. All the speakers are hidden. The stereo kicks
I
ass.
bet.
Where's my ear? Let me put something on it so you can hear it here. Spotify, that's my go-to.
140. Mm.
Got to pair up. There we go. Sit in there and listen to it. You have to keep your Bluetooth closed, but it's a disc player too.
Yeah. Cool. Very nice, yeah. No
It
buzzing.
needs nothing. This is vinyl, by the way. If you don't like it, you can take it
Oh,
off.
okay.
No, you're supposed to see. It needs you in.
All right, thank you. All right. Very nice.